Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Folding Heat Pads is probably one of the most versatile and comforting additions to any home, especially as the weather turns colder, offering targeted warmth and relief for sore muscles, joint pain, or simply to snuggle up on a chilly evening, making it an essential item for personal comfort and well-being. Number 5. SereneLife Portable Infrared Sauna Box. Experience quick and soothing heat with our powerful infrared sauna. Its 3 carbon fiber panels reach up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to relax for up to 60 minutes with easy remote control. Perfect for unwinding after a long day or a tough workout. It helps relieve your body, rejuvenate your skin, and soothe tired muscles, promoting overall health and wellness. Enjoy the spacious interior, complete with a folding chair and a heated foot pad. Easy access zippers and armholes add to the comfort, and its foldable design makes storage a breeze. Bring the spa experience home with this mobile sauna box. Its compact size fits easily into various rooms, transforming any space into your personal serene oasis. Crafted from durable thermal insulation fabric, it's designed to minimize heat loss and is incredibly easy to clean. Enjoy lasting quality for your relaxation needs. What we like. This offers rapid infrared heating for quick relaxation. If you're looking for a personal spa experience at home that's easy to set up and store, this is a great choice. It's perfect for unwinding after a long day or a workout, transforming any room into a serene escape. What people say. This thing heats up, and it does so quickly. 140 degrees in a tight space is very hot. It basically comes out of the box all put together. It just unfolds and you plug it in. The unit is easy to assemble, use, and maintain. If you are looking for a good quality in-home sauna, this is the one. Number 4. XXL Heating Pad for Pain Relief. Experience targeted relief for your back pain with our extra-large heating pad. Its generous size ensures maximum coverage for ultimate comfort. Don't let neck and shoulder tension hold you back. This versatile pad provides soothing warmth to ease stiffness and promote relaxation. From tired legs to aching knees and cold feet, this heating pad offers customizable comfort. It's perfect for soothing cramps and everyday discomfort. Looking for the perfect gift? Surprise mom, your wife, or grandma with this luxurious heating pad. It's an ideal present for birthdays and Mother's Day. Enjoy personalized warmth with 6 adjustable heat settings. Plus, rest assured with the automatic shut-off feature for safe and worry-free relaxation. Measuring 20x24, this extra-large heating pad provides ample coverage. You can easily wrap it around larger areas for comprehensive pain relief. What we like. This provides XXL coverage for extensive pain relief. If you suffer from back, neck, or leg pain and need a large, flexible heating pad, this is ideal. It's designed for targeted relief for various body parts, making it a versatile option for comfort. What people say. It is nice to be able to spray the pad to use a wet heat for relief, but I generally use it dry. I also use it on my feet sometimes when I am cold in bed. I love that it is big enough to tuck under my feet. It's soft and cozy and warms them up quickly. It's so fast at warming up that I don't even bother preheating while I'm getting ready to sit down with it. It's hot in under a minute. It does work well and actually gets hot, like they did in the good old days. Be careful with elderly or those who can't adjust on their own. It does have several settings, so you can find a good setting for every need. Number 3. FEPPO Food Warming Mat. Experience rapid, even heating across the entire surface in just 10 seconds. This advanced technology means less waiting and more enjoying your gatherings and meals. Crafted from top-tier flexible silicone nanomaterial, it's durable, safe, and stain-resistant. It rolls up easily for convenient storage and is compatible with all your cookware. With 6 temperature settings from 122 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, you can precisely control the warmth for any need. Keep food perfectly warm, defrost items, or prepare meals efficiently. Keep your food warm for up to 6 hours with the built-in timer. Say goodbye to cold dishes and savor every bite at the perfect temperature. This warming plate is essential for any kitchen. It keeps dishes warm, aids in dough fermentation, thaws frozen foods, and ensures food is always at its best for any occasion. What we like. This features incredibly fast full-surface heating in just 10 seconds. If you frequently host parties or buffets and need to keep multiple dishes warm efficiently, this is the perfect solution. Its premium silicone and roll-up design also make it durable and easy to store. What people say. Heat it up quickly. Love that it rolls up and is stored in a bag. Much easier to travel with than the glass top style. Extremely impressed with how well the silicone and electronic pad were made. The silicone pad is very thick. What was even more impressive was how quick the thing heated up. I had it keeping our steak and potatoes off the grill warm at 212 degrees within 2 minutes. The other impressive quality was how big it is, which allows you to keep even more dishes warm at the same time. It heats up rapidly, which is a great benefit. It is really easy to use and wipe clean. Number 2. Food Warming Mat 24 by 16 inches. Never worry about cold food again. This warming mat offers 7 temperature settings and can keep your meals warm for up to 99 hours, ensuring a delightful dining experience. Crafted with advanced nano silicone, it heats efficiently and evenly. Its rapid heat transfer technology quickly brings your food to the perfect temperature while retaining flavor. Enjoy ultimate convenience, as this warming mat is compatible with various tableware materials like metal, ceramic, glass, and enamel. It seamlessly adapts to your dining setup. Safety is paramount. It features automatic power off after 5 hours and a child lock function, providing peace of mind for you and your family. From daily meals to holiday gatherings, this foldable mat is perfect for keeping dishes warm, fermenting dough, or thawing food. Elevate any event with perfectly served dishes. Designed with your surfaces in mind, its bottom temperature is well below the fracture threshold of granite and quartz. For best practice, avoid direct contact with these materials. What we like. This offers an exceptionally long warming time of up to 99 hours. If you need a reliable food warmer for extended events, family gatherings, or religious observances like Sabbath, this is an excellent choice. The dual safety features and child lock provide peace of mind for continuous use. What people say. The heating pad is large and covers a wide area, making it effective for pain relief. It has multiple heat settings, allowing for customized comfort. The pad is flexible and can be easily folded or wrapped around body parts for targeted treatment. Number 1. 3-pack heat-resistant foldable silicone trivets. Introducing our set of 3 heat-resistant trivets. They are designed to keep your countertops and tables safe from hot pots and pans. Crafted from food-grade silicone, these trivets offer excellent heat insulation and are safe for everyday use. They can withstand a wide range of temperatures. With a substantial thickness, they provide a reliable barrier against heat, effectively protecting your precious desktop from damage. Perfect for your home kitchen or dining room, these can be used as pot mats, table mats, or plate mats. They are a truly multifunctional and convenient kitchen tool. Their clever foldable design allows them to be easily stored away, saving valuable space in your kitchen. They are also easy to carry for picnics and outdoor meals. Cleaning is a breeze, and their compact, foldable nature makes them ideal for any kitchen, no matter how small. They are your best companion for meals anywhere. What we like. These are highly heat-resistant silicone trivets that are foldable and space-saving. If you need reliable protection for your countertops and tables from hot pots and pans, especially in smaller kitchens or for on-the-go use like picnics, these are a practical solution. Their non-slip grip ensures stability. What people say. The heating pad is very effective and heats up quickly, providing consistent warmth. Its foldable design makes it easy to store and transport, perfect for travel. The material is soft and comfortable against the skin, and the size is generous enough to cover larger areas. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.